Hi guys. So this has been doing for 3 days. This is soap water, by the way. Look at the suds in that, and you see how green it's turned. So I'm just going to take this out. Look at the suds on that, mate. That's so good, so satisfying to do. That can be composted. So you don't even need a sieve, you know, we just take it out by hand. See how much suds comes out. Take the last bits out. Happy summer solstice, everybody. I mean, there's little bits in, but you know, we're not precious. It'll do. Okay. So then we have a container. So I'm going to pour it straight into this. So this is fresh, organic laundry detergent with a few added goodies. Look at that, we can't even fit it in because they're all bubbles. So there we have that. And then I'm going to put some essential oils in. So we've got lemongrass. Lemongrass, that's lush. And then some frankincense. You know, you can add any essential oils that you want. Just a few drops will do. Oh, my days. That smells delicious. So we just give it a shake. And there we go. Let's give it a smell now. Oh, it smells like sherbet lemon sherbet. There you go. That's it. Done. Okay, bye.